everyone, welcome back. In today's video, let me give you a free tip. A lot of people thinking you need enterprise to get any kind of real reporting in Odoo, but that's not actually true. This is Odoo Community completely free and you can already see who's spending what month by month. Let me show you each and everything. Okay, so here we are at the community edition of Odoo, and you all know that that's a particular edition or that version is actually free. And if I'm moving on to the expense module, you can see what are the expenses that a company is doing in a particular month, week, or year. So to analyze that particular reporting here under the expense module, that we have a reporting side and then we have an expense analysis. Okay, so first of all, if you're just clicking on the expense analysis report, right away you will get a graph spending broken down by the each month, and each bar is splitting by employees as well. So there you can see each of this particular bars are splitting by each of the employees, and they we have a different color variants as well. So here you can see, first of all, there we have the Mark demo, and there we have the Randall Lewis, Michelle Edmund, Ronnie Hart, Kate Bird, and some. Okay, so this is particularly dividing by the sum. So these are the sums. This line is going through this graph report as the sum. Okay, so each color represent different person. So you can see a legend which is Mark demo, because this blue is representing Mark demo. Okay, so where is our Mark demo? So this is Mark demo, and there you can see the render labels, which is in red color, and more there we have the Michelle admin that's in a light or a blue or a green variant. Okay, that's a variant of another blue. Okay, so these are the basic examples. So if I am looking at the graph report, you can see in August 2026, it's clearly stands out. And the bars way taller than the rest. You can immediately see it's the mostly like the Michelle admin. Like you can see this one and this one is also going to Michelle admin. And then we have the Tony Hart and the Kate Booth making up the rest as well. Okay, so here you can see each and everything, and from there itself, there we have a top menu or the option that's actually called the measures. So you can simply apply different kind of measures once we are looking at each of the report inside a community version. There we have a measures to calculate how or in which content it will be leading, or what we need to get from this report as well. So if we need to see the amount due, you can simply enable that option, and you can see it is only selecting a particular measure on the graph view. So we can only select one measure. But if we are moving onto the pivot table, you can multiply select different kind of measures. Okay, so I'll show you that later as well. So if I want to see the total in currency, I can simply click on this option and there you will get. And if I want to see the total untaxed amount as well, I can see them. So this is how the measures work. And they we have a different kind of charts inside a graph view, which means a bar chart. There we have the line chart. There we have the pie chart. So under the pie chart, you will get these kind of reports. And this is actually a piece of cake for us. And it's graphically representing in a very simple way to understand each and everything. You can just simply move on to the pie chart itself. So under the line chart and bar chart, we have a lot more thing, which means there we have stacked view. If you want to see a stacked view, you can simply click on there. And if you want to see the cumulative, and if you want to see that's from the descending, and if you want to see that's from the ascending order, you can also see them. Okay, so that's how it will be working. And if you are taking on the bar chart as well, you can see these particular views. Okay, so that's how you can see them. And from there itself, on the top of that, we have different kind of views as well. So here we have just switch it to the graph view. And if I'm moving on to the pivot view, as I said before, there we have the measures. And in this particular pivot view, we can multiply select different measures. So if I want to get the quantity along with the total in currency, I can simply click on this option and Odoo will give you that. Okay. And if I want to see the tax amount, I can simply click on or this check on this measure, and I can also see that along with the quantity and the total in currency. So how many kind of, how much measures that you need to apply on this pivot view or the pivot table, you can use them. Okay. And you have an option to flip the axis, expanding this particular things, and you can also even download this into an XLSX format if you want to distribute this among your manager, or what we can say, if you want to show the copy or anything, or if you want to download and send them into any other persons, you can use this option. Okay, and then we have a filter range. Under the filters, you can simply use the filters like my expense, my team, paid by company, paid by employee, to submit, with approval, to post, waiting reimbursement. So if you are just seeking for any of the things inside here, you can filter it. There you have to group it by. So if you want to group this on the basis of an employee or a category or a state, or a status or an expense state, each and everything will be supported by Odoo community versions. And there we have the save current search. So by clicking on this option, you can simply save this, and you can put them this as a template or something like this, and it will be showing on your filter bar as well. So that's how it will be effective. And if you are moving on to the listed view as well, you can see how it will be looking inside a list view. So under that, you can particularly see the employee, description, expense date, the category, the paid by activities, company, total, and status. From this listed view as well, you can see what are the things that in a detailed way of this expense analysis. And there we have a lot more option to see the draft, submit, approve, because this is the different status or the status of each expense, how this is going through, like the process of the expense. So I can simply select them, and it is also giving a live count from here itself, how many that is in a draft, how many is in a submitted, approved way, you can see that. And there you can also select the employees on a particular employee basis, you can simply group them as well. So these are the main things that you can find from the expense analysis report of Odoo community version. So honestly, I want to say that this is a genuinely useful feature even without an enterprise. Like if you are a manager and you just want a quick visual on who's spending the most, or if there is a spike in the particular month, you don't need some expensive add-on for that. Like it's right here, built into the community for free worship. So, in a free way, you can do whatever you guys need. Like this is the basic report section, but it's included different kind of like modern features, what we can see, updated features, and everything is there. Okay, so yeah, that's the expense reporting in Odoo community. If you don't know this existed, hopefully this saves you from thinking you need to upgrade just to get basic visibility into spending. Let me know in the comments if you want me to cover more free reporting views like this across other Odoo apps, and subscribe if this was helpful, and more videos is coming. Okay, so bye bye.